Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to record our students' video. So we'll be creating a playlist. We'll be doing these videos and putting all of them in a single playlist. So what is a video and why we are making it is, so these students are really good at calculating the sums using abacus and without using abacus also, which is called as visualization. So we just wanted to showcase their skills to you, and also if new students, we also want to showcase these students' skills to new students so that they'll get inspired and they'll be motivated to solve the calculations quickly like them.